NISAR satellite successfully placed in orbit, making lifetime history. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Raja Chaudhary. Today we will talk about GSLV F-16 successfully placed in orbit, NASA and ISRO launch mission. India launched NASA ISRO GSLV F-16 satellite to track changes in Earth's land and ice surfaces. In a major milestone for space collaboration, and the NASA ISRO NISAR satellite has been successfully placed in orbit, making a new era in Earth observation and climate monitoring. You can see all the changes in Earth. ISRO GSLV F-16 NISAR separation confirmed each stage prices, cryo ignition and cryo stage performance flawless. GSLV F-16 delivered NISAR to orbit, a milestone in ISRO NASA collaboration. On Wednesday, ISRO successfully launched the 1.5 billion NISAR satellite, its first radar imaging mission developed jointly with NASA. The satellite, named NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar NISAR, short name NISAR, represents the first collaboration of its kind between the two space agencies. So Indian Space Association HAL's milestone launch. The successful launch of the Indo-US NISAR mission is a landmark in international cross-border space collaboration, showcasing the strength of ISRO and NASA scientific partnership in advancing Earth observation. While this mission was primarily led by national agencies, it paves the way for the dynamic Indian private space sector to actively contribute to such cutting-edge collaboration in the near future. NISAR advanced radar technology will generate vital data to address global challenges like climate change, disaster response, and resources management, and it also helps country for war, because if war have a, we need to position to enemy, position to our, so we can see, and the satellite will help us. The mission reaffirms India's growing role as a trusted global space partner. As India private space industry also evolves, we remain committed to fostering innovative public-private partnership that will enhance collaboration and drive the next wave of growth and value creation in the global space economy. Lieutenant General A.K. Bhatt, Director General Indian Space Association (ISPA), Nitin Gadkari hails the mission and Congress team ISRO. Dr. Jitendra Singh congratulates India and praises PM Modi. ISRO Chief V. Narayan addressed the public gathering. Dr. V. Narayan, the Director of ISRO Liquid Propulsion System Center, addressed the successful launch of the NISAR mission. NISAR, world's most expensive Earth observation satellite, built through a landmark collaboration between India and the US. NISAR is the world's most expensive Earth observation satellite, designed to monitor minutes changes in the planet's surface. It combines NASA's radar technology with ISRO launch capabilities, marking a major leap in global climate and disaster monitoring. NISAR to orbit Earth at 747 km altitude. NISAR will orbit Earth at an altitude of 747 kilometers. This low Earth orbit allows for detailed and frequent observation of the planet's surface. First and second stage perform smoothly. The first two stages of the GSLV F-16 rocket fired as expected, successfully propelling the NISAR satellite. The cryogenic stage is now in operation. NISAR mission cost over 1.5 billion. It is so expensive. The NISAR missions comes with a price tag of over 1.5 billion. It is one of the most expensive Earth observation projects ever undertaken. So you can see this type's news. We feel happy. We pay a tax 18% tax, 25% tax, and then we see this types of news. We read this types of news, so we can understand our tax used right direction. When the news come really lead by PM Modi, really lead by CM, so and posters and all, then so we realize the tax not using right direction. All the students gathered in big numbers for the experience. Students gathered to watch the launch of this satellite. Automatic launch sequence begin. NISAR mission authorizes automatic launch sequences of NASA ISRO NISAR mission. The mission will be added with ground station support of the two space agencies for downloading the acquired images, which after the necessary processing will be disseminated to the user community. Given are the details of the GSLV F-16. Here are the key characteristics of the GSLV launch vehicle. So vehicle height 51.70 meter, lift of mass 420.5, and stages, three stages: first, second, third. First stage GS1. GS1 have S139 plus 4L40H, and second stage GS2 GS40HT. Third stage CUS 15 indigenous payload fairing 04 Ogive PLV. 17 minutes away from the launch, only a few minutes remains for the NISAR satellite liftoff. Health checks done. Videographs of GSLV 16 integrates is right, and you can see the images how country going advance building their space technology. Why is the antenna so hug? So NISAR large gold plated antenna ensures high spatial resolution by capturing more reflects signals from Earth's surface, making its observations sharper and more accurate. Open source data for all. NISAR will provide near real-time open source data accessible to scientists, researchers and engineers around the world and around the ISRO and NASA. NISAR mission, a new era in climate monitoring. The NISAR mission will revolutionize climate tracking. Unlike other satellites, it can detect changes at the centimeter level, offering global high resolution data for more accurate and detailed Earth observation. NISAR is India's scientific handshake with the world. Jitendra Singh, this types of people still leading in India. That's why India growing. Union Science and Technology Minister Jitendra Singh ahead of the NASA ISRO radar satellite launch said NISAR is not just a satellite, it is India's scientific handshake with the world. He added that the mission reflects Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of India as a Vishwa Bandhu, a global partner working for the greater good of community. That's why we need a visionary Prime Ministers. Historic movement for ISRO and NASA. Says SAC director on NISAR launch. This is a historic moment for both ISRO and NASA. It's a joint project and one of the costliest missions ever. It truly reflects the strength of cooperation between two great democratic nations, India and the United States. NISAR mission set to track Earth and its environment for the first time over ISRO-NASA collaboration. And it's successful. NISAR mission sees through clouds and total darkness. NISAR will orbit Earth in 97 minutes and map almost the entire landmass and ice sheets every 12 days it can. Earth dynamic surface and interior, Earth's cold region, terrestrial ecosystems, water. Unprecedented view of Earth. NISAR launch, what will it done in space? So monitor shifts in wetland areas, track active crop patterns, measure changes in forest biomass, map ice sheets in Greenland, Antarctica, and the track glacier movement, detect and land surface changes linked to earthquakes, volcanoes, landslides, and underground water or oil reserves. What is NISAR mission? So roughly the size of a pickup truck, NISAR will deliver high resolution data to monitor infrastructure, crops and natural hazard. So we are growing space technology. India becoming the world fastest growing country, but nothing. GSLV F-16 rocket NISAR mission, payload fairing 4 meters, lift off mass 420, NISAR satellite weight 2392 kilograms, 3 stages, solid, liquid, cryogenic from Sriharikota 102 launch, GSLV 18th flight with indigenous cryogenic stage 9th operational flight. Deployed phase preparing the satellite, commissioning phase system testing, and it's successful NISAR in sky. So thank you so much for watching my video. We will meet next video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.